Here is the truth. Not everyone will celebrate our success, but respond with kindness anyway. Some may envy, misunderstand us, or distance themselves. But even in the midst of silence, always responds with love and kindness. Our character will be revealed not on how we treat people who supported us, but how we treat people who don't. Be gracious, be kind, keep going, keep moving with humility. Naalala ko, may isang araw may nagtanong sa akin, a person who is so close sa life ko, and I want to share this, this is not meant to brag, but to glorify God. Again, kung bakit tayo nakakapagbigay, bakit tayo nagmahal, kung bakit tayo nakakapagpatawad, dahil ang Diyos ang unang nagpatawad, ang Diyos ang unang nagbigay, ang Diyos ang unang nagmahal. So sabi ng isang taong yun who is so close to me when she asked me, Ate, bakit kasi may sinishare ako sa kanya, and sa kanya kasi super close ko nga. So sabi ko, may isang tao na every year, gagawan ko ng ganito na mabuti. I will help or what, again, not to brag. And that person, kilala niya. So sabi niya sa akin, why keep on helping that particular person that I remember nung kabataan mo, nung ganito ka pa, ay wala naman yan na i-contribute na mabuti sa buhay mo. Lagi kang ganito. Maraming painful experience din na naranasan mo sa taong yan. Wala masyadong mabuti na memory ka sa kanya. And why keep on helping that person? And my response ay ganito. Sabi ko, it is all by the grace of God. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to each and every one of us, again, I'm sharing this not to brag. Hindi siguro, personally, I cannot give kung hindi ako binigyan ng Diyos. I cannot help kung hindi ko naranasan ang tulong ng Diyos. And ang sabi ko sa kanya, how can I not share? How can I not help? How can I not love? Kung sa buhay ko, sobra ko naranasan ang pagmamahal ng Diyos. I want to share and I want to give to that person, not because she has been so kind to me sa nakaraan ko, but because sobra ko lang naranasan ang kabutihan ng Diyos sa aking buhay, that through a simple giving, or even sa pagiging mabuting tao sa taong yun, maranasan niya, ma-feel niya ang kabutihan ng Diyos sa buhay niya. That even sa simple act of kindness, maipakita ko na buhay ang Diyos na sinasamba natin. That whenever they will thank you because of the kindness na ginawa mo sa kanila, you will tell them na it is because of the goodness of God. Dahil may mabuting Diyos. Dahil may Diyos na nagtiwala. It is not because of what we did, but it is because of God. So sabi ko sa kanya, we will help not to impress or not to prove ourselves, but because the love of God in our lives is overflowing. And this favor is constantly pursuing us. So how can we not share? How can we not love? Even to those people who hurt us in the past. Bless them dahil napakabuti ng Diyos. Not hindi para patunayan ang ating sarili, kundi para ma-feel even ng mga tao sa paligid natin, even people from afar, with the simple act of kindness na gagawin natin, na totoo nga, buhay ang Diyos. Na totoo nga, faithful ang Diyos. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 3 to 4. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Romans chapter 12, verse 14. Bless those who persecute you. Bless and do not curse. Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father who is in heaven. Kapag naranasan natin ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa ating buhay, even those people who hurt us in the past, even those people, even in the present, constantly persecuting us, ang response natin laging pagmamahal, laging forgiveness, laging kindness. Why? Because the faithfulness, the favor, the blessing, the goodness of God in our lives, they are overflowing na hanggang ibang tao ay magbe-benefit. Hanggang ang ibang tao mafe-feel nila truly the God that we serve is a faithful God. So you see, kapag nakaranas tayo ng kabutihan, huwag even those people na nakasakit sa atin, pagpalain natin. And declare goodness, declare blessing over their lives. And stay kind because God is good. So you see, and whenever we're helping others, it is because sobra tayong pinagpala ng Diyos. At ang pagtulong natin hindi kabawasan sa atin, mas lalo pa tayo nadadagdagan. So stay kind and love God and love others. Thank you and God bless.